సెకండ్ ప్రసాద్ ర్యాలీకి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి వద్దాం. రాఫెల్ యుద్ధ విమానాల విన్యాసాలు చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం. ఢిల్లీలో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి యుద్ధ విన్యాసాలు రిపబ్లిక్ డే సందర్భంగా రాఫెల్ యుద్ధ విమానాలు ఇటీవలే మనకు భారత అమ్ముల పొదిలో చేరాయి, భారత ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్ లో చేరాయి. వాటి విన్యాసాలు ప్రస్తుతం రిపబ్లిక్ డే పరేడ్ సందర్భంగా ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. ఆ దృశ్యాలను మనం ఎన్టీవీ స్క్రీన్ మీద లైవ్ లో చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం ఢిల్లీ నుంచి.
MiG-29s and two Su-30 MKI aircraft in big formation. The C-17 is a heavy-lift, long-range strategic airlift aircraft. C-17 captained by Group Captain Pranav Sisodia, commanding officer of 81 Squadron. Flanking him on two MiG-29 aircrafts piloted by Group Captain Kapildeep Singh, commanding officer of 223 Squadron, and his flight commander, Wing Commander Ankur Hakim. The outermost tier had two Su-30 MKI aircraft piloted by Group Captain GBS Chauhan, Vayu Seva Medal, commanding officer of 31 Squadron, with Squadron Leader GS Dutt and Wing Commander Ravi Huda with Flight Lieutenant Prakhar Kumar.
रोमांच और बढ़ता हुआ और गणतंत्र दिवस परेड पर पहली बार रफाल, एक रफाल, दो जैगुआर और दो MiG-29 एकलव्य फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन रोहित कटारिया कर रहे हैं. फॉर्मेशन में उनके साथ हैं विंग कमांडर वरिंदर सैनी, विंग कमांडर आकाश चेची, ग्रुप कैप्टन जीजो जोस ओबिलिल और विंग कमांडर नितिन नागरकोटी. 300 मीटर की ऊंचाई और रफ्तार 780 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा. एकलव्य फॉर्मेशन ग्रुप कैप्टन रोहित कटारिया की कमान में.
The limitlessness of the sky setting the tone for the limitless passion, expertise and skill of our pilots from the Indian Air Force. And now the Trinetra formation is going to come up, comprising three Su-30 MKIs. The three aircrafts as they come up will spit outwards and upwards, forming a trishul in the sky.
Led by Group Captain Ajay Kant Mishra with Squadron Leader R.C. Kulkarni, the captains of the other two aircraft, the Wing Commander Karandev with Flight Level A. Tilsa, and Squadron Leader...
The formation is led by Group Captain A.K. Mishra, commanding of Squadron Leader R.C. Kulkarni. Captains of the other two aircrafts are Wing Commander Karandev with Flight Lieutenant A.S. Dinsa and Squadron Leader H.J. Singh with Squadron Leader Shobit Mishra. Peeling outwards and upwards. Trinetra.
Trinetra formation. राजपथ के आकाश में इस समय 3 एडवांस लाइट हेलीकॉप्टर्स विजय फॉर्मेशन में तिरंगे के रंगों को राजपथ के आकाश में रंगते हुए. इस फॉर्मेशन की कमान ग्रुप कैप्टन गिरीश कुमार ने संभाली है. उनके साथ विंग कमांडर स्नेहा कुलकर्णी और विंग कमांडर वाय श्रीधर तिरंगे के रंगों की छटा को बिखेरते हुए.
The colors of the national flag coloring the sky, and now everybody, we will hold our breath for the culmination of the parade as a single Rafale aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour, carrying out a vertical Charlie. Absolutely gravity-defying aircraft piloted by Group Captain Harkirat Singh Shaurya Chakra, commanding officer of 17 Squadron with Squadron Leader Kisle Kant. Nava Skrisham Diptam, a befitting salute to the motto of the Indian Air Force. Absolutely awe-inspiring and thrilling. A lot of training goes into what seems to be effortlessly done over here, and that is the charm, that's the beauty of every professional, every perfect display. The Indian Air Force always coming up first every time.
इस समय सभी के मन के भाव जमीन, आकाश, पूरे वातावरण में बिखर गए हैं। बड़ा ही भव्य फ्लाई पास्ट, रोमांच और उत्साह आज के इस 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस पर शानदार फ्लाई पास्ट, मन के भाव आकाश को छू रहे हैं। हमारे राष्ट्रीय पर्व की भव्यता शब्दों की हदों के परे है।
खौफ इस दुर्मत से नहीं, उसने यकीन